This is John with Phoenix Broadband Technologies, and today I'll be showing you how to configure your SC4 site controller's IP address. The methods we will be going through today will utilize the controller site viewer webpage, which can be reached via web browser. Additionally, we will be using the SC4 site controller's classic view page, which utilizes JavaScript. Similarly, we can use PuTTY to access the site controller and program various settings. PuTTY is an open source terminal emulator, serial console, and network file transfer application. It can be downloaded for free with the provided link in the description, and we will cover different ways to connect to our SC4 site controller using these methods. Now, we will begin the process to configure your Phoenix Broadband SC4 site controller. In Site Viewer, to begin, connect to the SC4 by typing in the IP address of your SC4 site controller in your Explorer search bar. Now that we have reached the Site Viewer page, choose Setup, IP Configuration from the menu bar. By default, the admin password is admin in lowercase. The SC4 also has the ability to receive dynamic IP addresses using DHCP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. To utilize this function, select the Get IPV4 from DHCP Server checkbox in the IP setup. Next, enter your IP configuration into the corresponding fields and click Enter. The dialog box will disappear and the SC4 will reboot with your new configuration settings. Similarly, the IP can also be changed from the Classic View webpage on the site controller by going to View, Classic Web Interface in the Site View dashboard. We recommend using Internet Explorer for this, as Chrome does not support Java without third-party plugins such as IETab. Java is a free download, which can be found in the link in the description. Similarly, IETab is a free Chrome extension you can use if you decide to use Chrome as your browser, although we recommend Internet Explorer. To begin the Classic View configuration, type in your current SC4 IP address, followed by / and classic. This will bring up the Classic View page, which allows a more in-depth set of tools to customize your SC4. Now that you're at the main page, click Site Setup in the bottom left corner, and again, type the administrator password admin. In the Site View page, select Set IP Address in the bottom right corner. Next, select Change IPV4 settings and change your IP address. The SC4 also has the ability to receive dynamic IP addresses using DHCP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. To utilize this function, select the Get IPV4 from DHCP Server checkbox in the IP setup. When complete, click Save, and the new IPv4 settings will be configured once your SC4 resets. Next, we're going to configure the SC4 site controller utilizing PuTTY. As we mentioned, PuTTY is a free open source program and recommended for its ease of access. To begin, start by opening PuTTY and entering your current SC4 IP into the hostname box. Select SSH and make sure port 22 is selected. Next, select Open. The configuration box will close and you will see a new display window. The SC4 will prompt you for a password, which is pbtuser and pbtpassword. Press Enter and type in /SC4config and enter the configuration menu. Once inside the controller, select number 1 for IPv4 configuration. You'll be brought to a submenu where you can change the IP settings. Once the correct configuration is in place, select Y to accept and press Enter to save. When complete, select 99 to save all settings and return to the main menu. Once at the main menu, select 94 to reboot the SC4 and save your IP configuration settings. This can also be done using a USB cable attached to your PC and the SC4 USB port on the front of the SC4 controller. To do this, in PuTTY, select Serial, and in the serial line box, enter your COM port connected to your PC USB. We can find this by going to the Start menu, typing in Device Manager, and going to Ports. Once we find our COM port, we'll type it in the serial line box, press OK, and we will enter PuTTY's menu settings again, and we'll repeat the same process we did using the SSH settings. The serial method is best used when your SC4 is connected to a network and you want to maintain connectivity, or if you don't have access to the rear of the controller. As a tip, if you're unaware of the SC4 IP address and do not have access to a serial cable, you can set the SC4 back to factory default IP by holding down the small button on the bottom right of the front of the SC4. This button is located next to the Wi-Fi text on the controller. Hold this button down and the SC4 lights will flash, resetting the controller back to its default IP of 192.168.2.200, which can also be found on a sticker on the top of your SC4 site controller. At Phoenix Broadband Technologies, we strive to ensure our customer satisfaction. So if you have any questions or concerns, we're here to help. Take care, everyone. We'll see you next time with more helpful information about our products.